In this section, we're continuing our journey with conjugates. You can see this one is a bit more complex. And so we will have an actual FOIL in the numerator part. In the denominator part, we're expecting that you'll be able to do the resolution in one go. So keep that in mind. What should be our conjugate multiplier? We're going to multiply by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So we set that up, and now we get to work. Now in the numerator, you can see that you will have a FOIL situation, and the best way to do that is we're going to show taking the root 3, multiplying both terms, and then taking the positive 2 root 2 and multiplying both terms. What will we get? So root 3 times 3 root 2 will give us 3 root 6. Root 3 by minus 2 root 3 will give us minus 6, because the root 3 by root 3's cancel. We then have a 2 root 2 times the 3 root 2, and that will give us a positive 326 times the 2, which would be 12. I hope you can resolve that. Then we also have a 2 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Now what would that give us? There's minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Root 2 by root 3 is root 6. And that concludes the entire FOIL of the numerator part. Now for the denominator part, we've got to do a little bit of work. We know that when we FOIL, the middle terms and the outside terms will vanish. Keep that in mind. So all we're interested in is the 3 root 2 times the 3 root 2, which becomes 9 times 2, and that is 18. Positive 2 root 3 times negative 2 root 3. Now what happens there? You end up with 4 times 3, and that is minus 12. We still have a bit of work to do. We have the numerator piece. There's a 3 root 6 minus 4 root 6. That leaves us with a minus root 6. Minus 6 plus 12. That's a positive 6. And what is happening down below? 18 take away 12, and that leaves you with a 6. Now there's strong temptation that we could rewrite the whole thing and reduce with the root 6 and the 6, but technically 6 doesn't fully divide into root 6. So our best solution is to write it as this: 6 minus root 6, put that in bracket, and this 6 becomes a fraction. 1/6 times the bracket, and there's your answer.